Namaskar, Khushro Vidya, myself JVN Dr. Pramila Kajla, Assistant Professor in Department of Physiology and Biochemistry, Faculty of Homeopathic Science from Jyoti Vidyapith Women's University. Today our topic is parietal lobe from cerebral cortex, part 3. Parietal lobe extend from central sulcus and merge with occipital lobe behind and temporal lobe below. This lobe is separated from occipital lobe by parieto-occipital sulcus and from temporal lobe by Sylvian sulcus. Parietal lobe is divided into three functional areas. First, somesthetic area 1, B, somesthetic area 2nd, and somesthetic association area. So in this diagram, you can see somesthetic area first include 1, 2, 3. Somesthetic area second, this one, and this is 7 and 5 is somesthetic association area. So this is part of parietal lobe. Somesthetic area first. Somesthetic area first is also called somatosensory area first or primary somesthetic or primary sensory area. It is present in posterior lip of central sulcus, in the post-central gyrus, and in paracentral lobule. Functions of somesthetic area first. Somesthetic area first is responsible for perception and integration of cutaneous and kinesthetic sensation. It receives sensory impulse from cutaneous receptors such as touch, pressure, pain, temperature, and proprioceptors of opposite side through thalamic radiation. Area first is concerned with sensory perception. Area 3 and 2 are involved in integration of these sensations. This area sends sensory feedback to premotor area. The area is also concerned with movement of head and eyeball. Discriminative functions in addition to perception of cutaneous and kinesthetic sensation. This area is also responsible for recognizing the discriminative feature of sensations. Somesthetic area second. Somesthetic area second is situated in post-central gyrus below the area of face of somesthetic area first. A part of this is buried in Sylvian sulcus. It is also known as secondary somesthetic area or somatosensory area second. Functions of somesthetic area second. Somesthetic area second receives sensory impulse from somesthetic area first and from thalamus directly. Though the exact role of this area is not clear, it is concerned with perception of sensation. Thus, the sensory part of body have two representations in somesthetic area first and area second. Somesthetic association area. Somesthetic association area is situated posterior to postcentral gyrus, above the auditory cortex and in front of visual cortex. It has two areas, 5 and 7. Functions of somesthetic association area. Somesthetic association area is concerned with synthesis of various sensations perceived by somesthetic area first. Thus, the somesthetic association area form the center for combined sensation like stereognosis. Lesion of this area causes astereognosis. Applied physiology. Lesion or ablation of parietal lobe sensory cortex result in following disturbance. First, contralateral disturbance of cutaneous sensations, disturbance in kinesthetic sensations, and third one is loss of tactile localization and discrimination. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapith Women's University. I hope you are satisfied with my dissertation. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.